What are you reading?
I am reading a novel.
How's the weather?
It's sunny and warm.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Is it snowing?
Yes, it's snowing outside.
Who is your doctor?
Dr. Smith.
How do you feel?
I feel much better.
What's the topic?
It's about history.
Where were you?
I was at the park.
What's for breakfast?
Pancakes and juice.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Shall we dance?
Yes, let's do it.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
What do you do?
I work as a chef.
Is she awake?
No, she's sleeping.
Where are the keys?
They're in my bag.
What's your plan?
I plan to watch a movie.
How long will it take?
About an hour.
Who's knocking?
It's a delivery man.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
Who is responsible?
I am.
What do you want?
I need a glass of water.
What's wrong?
I forgot my wallet.
Is this your pen?
Yes, it's mine.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
Shall we continue?
Yes, please.
Who is at the door?
It's the postman.
How was your exam?
It was easy.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, they are adorable.
What's for lunch?
We are having sandwiches.
What's for lunch?
We are having sandwiches. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.